Hello. Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel once again. Today I decided to bring an expert in the game. Yes. The guy who motivates me in these stuffs.
Are you serious
This
on
one,
that
yeah.
guy?
Of course, yes.
That's
You
very
doing well.
interesting.
You doing well. You doing well.
At least I
I
know
mean,
that I'm touching somebody's heart.
Yeah, some people think you need to be an expert in this, but that's not always the case.
Okay.
What motivates you in this? You seem to have got some roots now in on online stuff, YouTube, Upwork, all these stuffs. You're doing well, man. What's up?
I think that time the fact that to want to better the tomorrow, you need to push yourself to make more money. So at the end of the day, you have to do a lot of research so that as you can know some of the ways you can maybe earn more money.
Cash.
Yeah, that's
cash.
the really thing.
So there's money.
Yeah, online there's a lot of money. If a lot of you are serious,
Yeah.
you are going to make a lot of money. Maybe you can think of something like Upwork. Maybe you can think of maybe the YouTube. You can come up with your own channel.
Okay.
Maybe you can also source maybe to be doing assignments for other people, or even you can also decide to do the online marketing. Or maybe, for example, an influencer, because you find that a lot of people are more interested with the people can push their product in the market.
Sure.
So
it
will.
So no doubt the world is going to digital.
Yeah.
And
because
the
if
world,
at all you expect that you'll get the white collar job at the moment, it's a little bit tricky.
Yeah, I know some guys, they're looking at that, they're saying, oh, these guys are just looking for some penny because maybe they think we have not gone to school.
We got the papers.
Listen, guys.
We got papers.
We got papers. We've been in school. We have degrees, and I'm telling you, we are also practicing teachers in profession. So don't look at us and think that these guys just want to convince us. But the fact is, we need money. We need money. Employment is not enough. We need a flow of cash in this world. And for us to be able to do that, we have to look for alternatives. No doubt. Many people have gone to school, but they expect to go to school to get the jobs. Funny enough, there are no jobs, but the jobs are there. I think that is a statement which is contradicting. This is my friend, and he's been my friend, and we've grown together. We've seen all this stuff. He started as a joke. Today he's making money. I'm still there. I decided, oh man, I have to start this. Tell these guys, what do you think you're getting? No, it's it worth it? Do you think right now you can survive without a job? Because some people, I know, it's good to be realistic, and I think some guys think, well, when someone is talking about online stuff and DTC, these are jokes. They just want, they're con men. They want to get money. But what about it?
To me, I think that if you become more serious and consistent with what you do, it can bring food to your table.
Oh, you say that
everything is all about being serious and consistency.
Okay.
Because for the last 3 years I've been before maybe I got employed in the civil service, I've been living only on the online thing.
Wait,
but I was able to pay all
are
my
you saying
bills.
You are able to pay all the bills?
All the bills.
Just using
and
the
to
online
also
stuff.
To make some saving.
Really?
That I needed to be. If you become more serious with what you do, definitely get the results of your labor.
How long can it take me to earn 6-digit salary if I want to stick on this stuff and become consistent about it? Because, oh man, I think I need to be serious about this.
Being a little bit realistic, because at the moment the market is flooded.
Oh sure.
All the unemployed people, the aggressive one, are only doing they have involved themselves with the online thing. So it may take a little bit time, but some people are maybe they're like a view. Maybe it will be able to break even the shortest time possible. But
so it's about patience.
If you become patient and more consistent, if at all it is the online thing, maybe you can think of opening more than one account so that you can increase the chance of getting the. I remember the probability thing, how it works. Sure. For you to get the task, or
The more the task, the more the accounts.
so you need also to increase the number of accounts you have. If you have more than one account, you maybe you can be assured of more than a job per day. And if you are saving the hourly payments, it's a little bit better than the fixed salary, because you find that some clients are willing to pay more than $10.
Yeah.
$10 is a little bit more
Sure.
for with the people in these regions per hour, and then you can imagine being given around 40 hours per week. If you compute the whole thing, you find that per week you'll be earning a cool of around $500. If you convert that to our local currency, I think it's a good money, because you can think of 1 week, another week, 1 month, that is 4 weeks, and each week going for at least, let us assume you are working with one client. That client is giving around let us assume 4 hours, each hour going for around $10. If you compute that, it will give you around $500. When you maybe you deduct the commission, which is around 20%, it will be around that something multiplied by 4 weeks. That is around how much? Supposed to be which 120.
Yeah, 120.
Then when you convert maybe to our local currency, assuming that it is going at 102, you find that you not be badly off. You'll be at the same as the people who are being earning less than 100 per month.
I think
so.
It's money.
Maybe let us assume that was only one task. Let us assume you have more than one client, more than one account. So maybe to reach a point whereby you have a lot of clients who want your service. So you need to outsource now the other people to be writing for you. So at the end of the day, you can make your own company from the whole thing.
So is no doubt that if you become so consistent, the work even is more than you can imagine.
Yeah, if you become more consistent, you deliver the quality. The essence of delivering also is quality. If you give the client what they want, definitely they will give you more work.
So quality, efficiency, and then you be patient.
Sure.
That will pay.
Yeah, it will
for
pay.
Beginners, people not started, the issue of creating the account becomes an issue. You try, it's not working. So what do you do?
That's another challenge, because you find that most of the online writing sites have become flooded.
Yeah.
So there are more people who want to join the sites. So the owners of the sites, they want to control the number of people who are joining. So they restrict. So it's also become another challenge. How for them to approve your account. It's also another challenge.
Oh. So, but the fact is, you just need to be consistent. You consider the quality of the work you give to the clients.
Sure. And also don't give up, because if you apply one job today, the client doesn't reply, another one, it may take even more than a month before you get the first client. So you also remember that when you get the first client, you need also to give the best work, so that it can also give you the best rating. Because if at all it gives you one star rating, definitely that will be the head of you. So you need to give a good work for the first task, the second task, and 80, so that you can give you at least 5 stars, so that you can increase your rating.
Wow. So I think, guys, this is the next big thing in the world. The online marketing is no joke. That's where we are going. When you look at everything, even today, when you look at, for example, the cars, we needed mechanics before. Today, we're using robotic sites to be able to work on this one. This is computer programming. So when you look at, if today we can fix a car using a computer, a car without touching anywhere, that simply tells you that the world is going to technology, and ignoring IT today is simply ignoring future. Sure. And that's where we're going. You of late, you working, you so strict with YouTube. What did you find? Did you find something worth on the YouTube? What's up?
Because then I do find that we young people want to make more money, so we need also to look for more other venues. So I posted the YouTube thing on some of my clients' article. So I decided to give it a try. But also another challenge we people we are having at the moment is maybe the network, the internet.
Yeah.
We need to have a strong internet, maybe for easy streaming, and also another thing, the equipment. Remember that you cannot produce a quality thing without the.
Sure.
Maybe if you're using your smartphone, the camera needs to be a little bit of the clarity. You also need maybe to come up with something which will stabilize your video.
Sure.
When you are taking the whole thing. So maybe you also need to have a tripod stand, maybe to hold your camera while taking the whole video. Okay. So I needed to buy all those things before I ventured into the whole thing.
Yeah.
Then so far, I don't say that I've been able to break even because I've not been able to reach around 4,000 view hour. And also the number of my subscribers have not been able to reach around 1,000. So I'm still working on it, but I still believe, I'm that believer that with the time, if I continue to be more consistent and offer more quality work, what the clients want to know, what the clients want to hear, I believe that in the next 2 months, I should be able to have reached the level I'm aiming for, at least 1,000 subscriber, 4,000
watch hour.
So maybe you as a client, you as a viewer, maybe you can give me that. You need just to subscribe to enable me to reach that particular level.
Probably I'm going to do that. I'm hitting the button.
I think that's I think that's the best favor you can do for me at the moment, because if we don't do that, maybe we'll still be stuck at the two something at the level I am at the moment.
Okay, I think.
But I believe that
yes.
If at all you keep on being consistent, and it reaches to 4,000 watch hour, you have around 1,000 subscriber, more than that. The YouTube will start now to your channel will have the ads. The adverts being shown in your channel. At the end of the day, you'll be earning some coin at the end of the day. I think that's the best way you can do it.
I think also it will be important you consider doing what you love. I know most of you guys there, you're asking, what kind of content do I put on this particular channel? Just do what you can be able to do, what you love doing, because most of us we go copying and we cannot paste properly. So if you want to copy somebody, make sure you can paste exactly what he's doing. But I think originality, and I think this is what we are getting from the high T expert here, Stanley, that do something which you love. Do what is the best for you. Don't go for what you've seen other people do, because there are a lot of viewers on the YouTube.
Sure.
Billions of views within a month.
But I think we can generalize by saying that almost 3/4 of the people of all the world, in the whole world, most of them, I think maybe they are really into the YouTube thing. Everything, if you want to know how to cook a certain meal, you go to the YouTube. You want to learn maybe how to configure your computer and another device, you go to the YouTube. If you know maybe to see the breaking news, go to YouTube. You want to watch a local channel, you don't need that to go to your TV to switch on to that channel on your TV. Go download to YouTube. I think everything at the moment. I think maybe in the next few years, I think everything will be on the YouTube.
Wow.
So I think it's the next big thing to happen at the moment.
No doubt. And for those people who are doubting, you must know that YouTube, Google, these are the biggest companies in the world which don't know skill for you to be able to do that. Sure. I mean, you don't need any degree to create a video.
I think
that so basically what you need is just these simple skills which everyone can be able to do. no doubt, YouTube, Google, they're making school system outdated, because we used to go to school for information. Today you can access information from Google, you can get information from the YouTube. So it's kind of that you have to move with the trend, and if you don't move with the trend, you'll be left. And when you're left, then poverty remains on the side.
Yeah.
So don't blame your parents, don't blame your government, don't blame your
Don't say that there is no
the
job.
system, and say that there are no jobs, the government is not creating jobs. You can always create job for yourself, and that's what I'm sending you to do. For me and my crew, you can keep hit the button, subscribe for more. I'm going now for the next big thing. Next video, I'll make sure that I get the next guy, the IT expert, the guy who trained my today's expert,
So I
so
think,
that we learn more.
so I was thinking that maybe in the next video, maybe we can show them how to create an Upwork account. Maybe for those who are interested in maybe the online writing,
Good.
maybe you can show them on how to sign up and how to get your account to be approved, because unless you have an approved account, you are still in the dark. I think that's the best thing you can do to these people.
Okay, good. We're going to choose. There are a lot of online stuff, but we choose Upwork because that's what we have experience in, so that we can be able to show you how it works for us, and if it works for us, it can work for you. Thank you. Keep watching.
Bye.
Bye. See you.